Hey, I'm Kevin Tang. I'm a research engineer here at Cybernet, and I'm also the lead product manager of the tracker and co-inventor as well, along with my coworker Doug. This is a product that we won the award for the CTMA 2025 technology competition with. So the tracker is a tool that's built for maintenance inspectors, and specifically aircraft maintenance inspection, and that is a field that is basically growing in terms of the need and the priority. We are basically a force multiplier for the rare inspectors. They're becoming more and more rare as everyone's aging out. So a lot of MROs, maintenance, repair, overhaul shops across the country, across the world, they are needing to do more with less. And so the tracker allows them to increase their labor capacity and basically do more inspections in less time, up to 5-10 times quicker. These specific ultrasonic, called utgrid inspections that are required for critical maintenance. So we are able to just drop in to what they're already doing, basically the 10-minute setup, and reduce the labor requirements from 2 to 1, and increase the efficiency of their operations. The interface is very easy to use. So it's very modern. The old way is literally hand drawing grids with a paper, pencil, ruler, and every grid cell they will get a reading and then write a number down. Write a number down. They actually have 2 people doing it. One will take the reading and say the reading, the other one will write it down and say next cell, next cell. Now the tracker will actually see where they are on the whole grid. They can even skip cells, and it will automatically grab the reading from the device, put it into the grid cells. We call it platform agnostic. So every place will have a different device. This is a popular one, that's a popular one. These are the ones that the Air Force uses, but as long as it has a USB connection, then we can do the handshaking and have it communicate. All we need is just a reading. So it's a lot more efficient, and for that reason, it's kind of a no-brainer, even for the older inspectors. A lot of times they're like, oh, I'm a little reluctant with new technology, but once they see the efficiency gain, it makes their life a lot less tedious, and the inspection becomes higher quality as well.